Thank you for flying with Stage52 Airlines. I urge you guys to please remain seated. Why am I still seated here, you ask? That's because we spent a very long time tidying this place up, and we need your help to continue keeping it clean. So please help clear all rubbish and trash. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the experience. Please scan the QR code later on to give us feedback on how to improve future events. Thank you once again for coming aboard Stage52 Airlines. We hope you had a pleasant flight.